Hello PLP Geometry, welcome to video 8B in Unit 1. So again, we are still within Unit 1. We are doing our introduction to geometry. Intro to geometry. And we are doing video 8A, so this is number 8A. And again, we're still talking about our basic construction. This is actually the last of the basic constructions. We do a little bit of constructions later on in the year, but not too much, right? And again, we're focusing on angles. Okay. All right, so our fourth construction is going to be an angle bisector. Again, I think what's good about doing these constructions is that you're emphasizing your vocab, right? So again, to construct an angle bisector is important because it lets us, revisit the term angle bisector and see it from a different perspective of actually building it rather than just seeing it in a picture. All right, so to do an angle bisector, you are given an angle. So here is my angle A. Okay, so step one, we're going to take angle A. We are going to put the compass point on A and open it up again some distance down the angle. Okay, there's my compass. Okay, and we're going to draw an arc across. I'm not going to draw one big arc. I'm going to draw two smaller arcs, one here and one there. That's going to give me 2 points, B and C. I don't like the big arc because it messes with the interior of this angle. Okay, so that's step one. Step two. So now we're going to keep the compass setting the same. Okay, exactly the same. So right now I have this angle A here. I have these two arcs that are marking B and C here. This is the width of the angle. So we're going to keep that width the same, but now I'm going to put the point on, say, B. So this is now my compass. It's here, and now it's here, something like that, right? That's my compass. But again, that width is the same as that width. And I'm going to make a bigger arc sort of in the middle of the angle, just like that. Okay, and now let me erase this over here so we can do step 3 over here. So I'm going to erase the angle. Okay, so now step 3. So we have this picture of angle A. All right, B is here, C is here. We have this arc out here in space. So now we need to put the compass on point C. Same compass setting. So here's one leg, here's the other leg. Same compass setting, right? So this setting is the same as that setting. And now we're going to draw an arc across it like so. That's not really a good arc, but you get the picture. Something like, actually, let me redo it. Sorry. Good. Nice that it lets me just delete that part. So we're going to do it like this. Okay. And now this point right here is the important part where those two arcs intersect. I'm going to call that point D. And again, to complete this, I'm not going to redraw the entire thing if that's okay with you. So for step 4, I'm going to connect A and that point D with a ray. It should show that this top angle and that bottom angle are congruent, and we will say that ray AD bisects angle BAC, which means that angle BAD, the top angle, is congruent to angle DAC. And that is all shown in that proof, or in that construction. Perfect. Okay, so let's take a look at the construction on Delta Math. All right, last one we have to do together. All right, so here we go. Use compass straight edge to bisect angle L. Your final answer should be one blue ray. So we start this off by taking a compass and going down one side. We're going to draw an arc on that side and an arc on this side. Okay. Now we're going to take our compass and we're going to just move it. We're going to keep it the same width or same size, but we're going to move the center over to one of the side intersections with the arc. And we're going to draw a bigger arc in there. Don't have to go to L, but almost. Big arc in there. And now we take that same compass setting, the same circle, and we move it to the other side of L, over here. And we just have to draw a small arc intersecting that big one we just drew. Once you have those arcs intersecting, you're done, right? You have that second point on the ray, start with the end point, go through that second point, and you have successfully bisected that angle L. All right. Okay, have fun with your constructions.